If you want to change the passcode on your iPhone, whether for security reasons, personal preferences, or simply to refresh it, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I will guide you step by step through the simple process of changing your passcode. Whether you're a new user or just need a quick reminder, everything you need is already on your device. First, open the Settings app. Once you're there, scroll down until you find the section called Face ID and Passcode. Tap on it to access your device's security settings. You will be asked to enter your current passcode to continue. After entering it, additional security options will appear. Scroll down until you see the option to change your passcode, then tap on it. You will be asked once more to enter your current passcode to verify your identity. Next, you'll be able to enter a new passcode. By default, your iPhone offers a 6-digit passcode, but if you wish, you can change the type of passcode by tapping on Passcode Options. Here, you can choose from several types of passcodes that suit your preferences, ranging from shorter numeric codes to more complex alphanumeric ones. I will choose a 4-digit numeric code. After selecting your preferred option, enter your new passcode and confirm it. The new passcode will immediately become active and will be used to unlock your iPhone. That's all for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If so, please leave a like, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon in my next video.